You might be born poor, but you don't have to die poor in this world. You cannot control the family you are born into, the opportunities you receive as a child, or the amount of money available when you begin your journey. But as you grow, you can control what you learn, how you think, what skills you develop, and what decisions you repeatedly make. Being born without money is not your fault, but refusing to learn how money works can keep you trapped for the rest of your life. Wealth is not created by luck alone. It is built through knowledge, discipline, patience, and consistent action. Welcome to Wealth Mindset. Today, we are going to understand the art of building real wealth. Many people think wealth means owning an expensive car, wearing branded clothes, or showing a luxurious lifestyle online. But appearing rich and being wealthy are completely different things. A person can earn a large salary and still live from one payment to the next. Another person may live simply while quietly owning investments, businesses, and assets that continue growing. Real wealth means having control over your time. It means being able to handle an emergency without borrowing money. It means having income that does not disappear the moment you stop working. It means having choices instead of constantly making decisions out of fear. Wealth is not only about how much money you earn. It is about how much you keep, how wisely you use it, and what you build with it. The first step in building wealth is changing your relationship with money. Poor financial thinking asks, "What can I buy with this money?" A wealth-building mindset asks, "How can I use this money to improve my future?" This does not mean that you should never enjoy life. It means that every rupee should have a purpose. Some money pays for your needs, some protects you from emergencies, some helps you learn valuable skills, some should be invested, and some can be used for enjoyment. The problem begins when enjoyment consumes everything, and nothing is left for your future. Before increasing your lifestyle, increase your knowledge, savings, and earning ability. Saving money is important, but you cannot save your way to great wealth if your income never grows. Your income usually increases when your value increases. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What result can I help someone achieve? What skill are people or businesses willing to pay for? Skills such as sales, communication, video editing, coding, digital marketing, design, copywriting, financial literacy, and using artificial intelligence effectively can create income opportunity. You do not need to learn everything. Choose one valuable skill and practice it consistently until you can produce a useful result. Do not spend years only consuming motivational content. Learn something, create something, sell something, improve through feedback. Your mobile phone can be a source of endless distraction, or it can become a classroom, a marketing tool, and the beginning of a business. The choice is yours. Building wealth requires a gap between what you earn and what you spend. Without that gap, there is nothing to save, invest, or use to create new opportunities. Track your spending for 30 days. You may discover that small, repeated expenses are taking away more money than you expected. Do not focus only on cutting every small pleasure. Start by controlling the expenses that damage your finances the most: unnecessary debt, impulsive shopping, expensive upgrades, and trying to impress people. You do not need to look wealthy while you are still building wealth. Live below your means, but continue working to increase your means. Frugality protects your money, skills and business increase it. You need both. A possession may make you feel successful for a short time. An asset can continue helping you financially. An asset can include a productive business, a carefully selected investment, useful intellectual property, a digital product, or a skill that repeatedly generates income. Before making a major purchase, ask 3 questions. Will this increase my income? Will this grow in value? Will this reduce an important future expense? If the answer to all 3 is no, understand that you are buying it for consumption, not wealth creation. There is nothing wrong with buying things you enjoy when you can genuinely afford them. The danger is sacrificing your future for the appearance of success today. Build the assets first. Let the rewards follow later. Depending entirely on one income source can be risky. Begin with your primary income, but gradually create additional streams. You might provide a freelance service, create educational content, sell a digital product, earn affiliate commissions, build a small business, or invest for the long term. Do not start 5 projects at once. Build one income source until it becomes stable, then consider adding another. Multiple income streams are not created overnight. They are created by solving problems consistently and developing systems that can operate repeatedly. Your first additional income may be small, but its importance is much greater than the amount. It proves that you can create money outside your usual source. Wealth building often looks slow in the beginning. You learn, save, and invest, but the results may appear insignificant. This is where many people give up. They search for shortcuts, risky schemes, or overnight success. But wealth grows through repetition. One good decision will not transform your life. 1,000 good decisions can. Small amounts invested consistently can grow. A skill practiced daily can become valuable. A small audience served honestly can become a business. Do not underestimate what disciplined action can achieve over several years. Remember, your starting point does not have to become your final destination. You may begin with limited money, limited support, and limited opportunities, but you can still begin with the willingness to learn. Control your spending, increase your value, build useful skills, create additional income, buy assets, and remain patient. Do not chase the appearance of wealth. Build the foundation of wealth. Your future will not change because you watched one motivational video. It will change when you take one meaningful action and repeat it consistently. Comment below with the first wealth-building action you are going to take. Subscribe to Wealth Mindset for practical lessons about money, discipline, income, and personal growth. Your journey may begin today, and one day, your life could become proof that where you start does not decide where you finish.